How to unlock daily rewards in Candy Crush Saga. Daily rewards are like sweet surprises just for showing up. The moment you launch the game, a daily treat pop up should appear. Tap your daily treat reward, tap claim or collect on the pop up. You will get free boosters like striped candies, color bomb, lollipop hamper, or even unlimited lives. The more consecutive days you log in, the better the reward gets. That's called your daily treat streak. To unlock bigger prizes, log in every single day. For example, day 1 to 3 small booster, day 4 to 6 combo packs, day 7 plus more means mega with mega rewards like multiple booster or time power up. If you skip a day, the streak reset, so stay consistent. Also, sometimes special seasonal or event calendar appears with extra daily gift like gold bars, mystery gifts, or executive boosters. Don't miss them. And that's it. You have unlocked daily rewards in Candy Crush Saga like a Candy Crushing Legend. If this helped you, like this and subscribe for more sweet tips. See you in the next one.